Hello, boys, girls, and my dear friends. My name is Sambit, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Sambit Mukherjee 360 Degrees. All my videos are very interesting and informative, hence, I recommend you to subscribe my channel. Like all my videos and comment as much as possible as I really get motivated to produce more and more valuable videos. Click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. We started from Pune for Shimla and Manali tour. The previous 6 episodes are specially for all of those people who have either recently moved into Shimla or are planning to relocate to Shimla, where I have shared videos of the Shimla roads. In case you know anyone who would be needing this information, please share these videos with them. In the previous episode, we saw how to reach Kufri from the Shimla's famous Dhali tunnel. I have provided the previous episode's link at the end of this video and in the description box below. Check it in case you have missed watching it. Today's video will be the 37th episode of this series. In today's episode, we will first explore one of the many Kufri's adventure sports activities spot and then move to another adventure sport activity spot in Kufri, which according to me is the best and biggest adventure activity spot of Kufri. Watch today's episode till the very end to get the most out of it. Like and share it with all your friends and family members, whomever you think would require this particular information. So without wasting any more time, let's begin today's episode. We concluded the previous episode here, where we were trying to enter the first adventure sport activity of Kufri, and this van was reversing. Hence, even we had to go in the reverse gear to allow this van to get out of this lane. Now let's have a good look of the van which was reversing. This is the van which was reversing. And now it's our turn to get to the adventure sports spot. I have got down from my cab and this is the first look of the surroundings of this particular adventure sports spot. That looks like one big chimpanzee. And this is the narrow lane through which we entered. Here we can see this particular adventure spot is called the Naxon's Hip Hip Hooray. Here we have another beautiful view of the Shimla Valley. there we have the chimpanzee once again. And there is this big and bright sun. In some of my earlier episodes also I have mentioned, I have never seen such a huge sun in my life. Now let's get inside and check what and all adventure activities are available here. Okay, the actual name of this spot is Naxon's Amusement and Adventure Park. Here they have provided some photos of all the adventure activities which are available here. The one with a cross mark is not available. I patiently checked all the activities and then I was little bit confused because most of the activities were for kids and my toddler son was hardly able to walk, so he could not participate in these activities. So I was not sure if these activities were good for me. And by my past experience, when in doubt, don't do it. So we skipped this one and then proceeded to the next adventure spot area. Here we are reversing from this adventure spot, that is Naxon's Amusement Park, and then we'll be taking our route to the next adventure spot area. Earlier we had seen many cars making a U-turn from the middle of the road, and now here we are taking a U-turn from the middle of this road. I was just thinking whether my decision of not participating in this amusement adventure park was correct or not. But all my doubts were cleared when we reached the second adventure spot. This was really huge and there were so many people who had visited there. We'll see all their cars and vehicles parked, and then we will see how is the parking area there once we reach there. This is proper Kufri and everywhere we can see snow. Here again we start climbing one narrow road. Here we can see more snow are dumped on the side of the road as if they were garbage. We have almost reached the second adventure spot of Kufri and pretty soon we'll be there. You see that blue color board? Just left to it there is one narrow lane getting down where all the horses are waiting for us. So we'll go there for a horse ride. And this is the entrance to the parking lot. Just see how many vehicles are parked here. That means so many people have visited here. After all, my decision of not participating in the previous adventure amusement park was absolutely correct. I have got down from the cab now and let's have our first hand view of this parking area. That's the entrance from where we got in here. Now let's explore this parking area using my camera. Let's walk down this lane and check out this entire parking area nicely. Wow, just look at all those cars and tempo travelers. We can make out how many people have visited here. That's me walking down this parking area. Let's park our cab. My spouse and Adit would be staying in the cab itself because both of them are not feeling well. So I'll alone go to the adventure area next. In the next episode, we'll go for horse riding. So stay tuned to my channel and subscribe it if you have not yet done so. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching today's episode till the very end. I hope that you enjoyed watching today's video. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Ensure you click the notification bell so that you keep getting notified immediately when I upload my latest video. I am available on Instagram. Follow me there. I'll catch you back in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Goodbye. Peace.